Hey everyone, it's Melody. I am here with another BTS unboxing video. We've got an artist-made collection by BTS, this time featuring Namjoon. We've got RM. I was actually waiting for the other pieces to arrive, but I don't know when it's gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the one piece that I have right now. If you happen to like this type of video, BTS content, BTS unboxing videos, definitely give this video a thumbs up. It just lets me know that you like watching this and you would like to see more of it on my channel. If you want to see more from me in general, you can also hit subscribe down below. I've also got my Instagram listed as well if you guys want to check that out. It's more of a BTS collectorgram, I suppose. So if that is something that you are interested in, definitely check it out. If not, it is all good. So like I said, today we have one piece from Namjoon from the Artist Made collection by BTS. Let's go ahead and get started with this, you guys. So if you happen to watch my Jin video, you know that these items come in these really cool dust bags. All of the pieces that I've received so far have, as far as the clothing and the pillow anyways from Jin's collection. I think some of the other pieces might not actually come with dust bags like the flower pot and such, but I'm really happy that the clothing pieces do. I think it just adds a really nice like luxury sort of feel to it. Here it says Artist Made Collection by BTS. It does have RM written there in his name and the symbol right there at the bottom. It's a very nice drawstring. I will say that some of these get really sticky and it gets hard to open sometimes. They do come with the typical card information sort of thing. Let's go ahead and show you. If you happen to read that card, you know what we got in here. We've got Junie's Joggers. So these are pretty famous now because of the photo card that comes with the joggers. And also Namjoon did almost spoil these in a V-Live, his birthday V-Live actually. I kind of wondered what the heck he meant about the secret behind his pants at that time. Never thought it was an actual like merch collection sort of drop. So very, very excited to show you guys this though. So these are the gray joggers. I got mine in a size small. I ordered them from Weverse Global during the first pre-order. I was very lucky that I was able to get them. They are stunning joggers and I am a joggers queen. I am joggers obsessed. I have so many pairs of joggers and these are really, really nice actually. So they're just a very nice light gray shade. Obviously has the cuffs at the ankles. It does have a tie that is on the inside like Namjoon wanted. If you watched his making log, the inside, as you can see, is a very soft material. It's very comfortable, soft. It keeps you warm for sure. So if you're in a colder climate or you just are cold natured, these are gonna keep you warm and they are such a good cut. I can't wait to like try these on for you and show you how great of a cut these are. Here is the inside. You can see the tag. So nice. They have the pockets. And they are nice, good, deep pockets. It can fit your phone, it can fit a sandwich, whatever you want, it can fit in there, okay? And then on the back, you have one pocket on the right. And the fun feature about this one is we have the logo in pink. Very subtle. I will try these on, show you a full body shot so you can actually see it on a real person as well. So let's go ahead and open up his envelope. It does say RM on the outside. So here is the making log as well as the photo card. Let me show you the photo card first. Look at this angle. Very, very specific angle that he chose here. Wanted to show off the logo. I get it. Love it. Probably one of my top 5 Namjoon photo cards that I own. I absolutely love this. I think it's hilarious and it's very different and I appreciate that. And there is the back. It says Army Jogger Pants by RM. And they came in these sleeves. So happy. I wanted the gray pair obviously because he wore them in his V-Live and in the shop video. I ended up picking up a pair in the black as well during that freak like unannounced restock. And that was the pair that I was waiting to come so I could do them together. But it hasn't shipped yet even though it says shipping soon for the last like 6 days. That's why I'm doing this video now. But I did pick up the black pair and for the black pair I actually picked them up in a small and a medium. Here's the making log. And at first, I mentioned in my Jin video, but I wasn't really sure about the making log, but I really love it. I'm really glad they included this making log. And then it tells you kind of like the chronology of how long it took, when everything was kind of happening. So we've got product planning phase, his handwriting there, his little drawings, you guys. Look at his tiny little drawings. Look at his tiny little BTS and RB symbol drawings. I can't handle that. They're so small and tiny. Look at him. And then here's the back. So it is an accordion style sort of making log. I have a hard time with these because I never know if I should display them or just like keep them somewhere. But look at him. He's feeling it. He's feeling these joggers. Me too. They're really good joggers. So there's the making log. Let's go ahead and try these on now. All right, you guys, just for frame of reference, I am 5'5" in height. I typically wear a size small on bottoms, typically a size small on top, typically a size 4 or so in bottoms in US sizes. I am top heavier though. I've got like broad shoulders. I got a bigger bust line. I'm just like top heavier in general. Sorry for the state of my room currently. It's a little bit of a disarray. It usually is how it is. Here are the joggers though. The top that I'm wearing is actually a sweatshirt that Jungkook wore. It's the Limo Chief. Limo Chief, I think. It is a Korean brand, and I just really like it because it's super comfy. This is a size small, you guys. It's like super big. But anyways, this is just what I was wearing today, so I just kept it on, but we're here for the joggers. So let's take a look at these joggers. So this is how the small and the gray look on me. I am not a gray clothing person in general. I like don't buy gray or like gray. I was pretty surprised that I wanted this pair versus the black, but it's really because Namjoon wore them versus the black one. So I got the gray pair, but I'm really happy I got the black pair too because they're just such nice joggers. They're a pretty good high rise. Like my belly button's right above the waistband, but they fall at such a nice place, and the waist is so nice and stretchy. Very, very comfortable overall. Nice deep pockets. Like my whole hand is in there. Again, a sandwich could fit in there. Your like dreams, your wants, your hopes, your desires could fit in there. This is how the size small looks like on me. Lengthwise, they're really perfect for me. This is how I like my joggers to be. So comfy overall. Super happy about these. If you like your jogger a little bit more relaxed, a little bit of a looser fit, definitely maybe size up. I got the black ones in a small and a medium, so I'm gonna get both. I don't know what I'm gonna prefer. I think the small is gonna be my preferred size. I think the medium will just be a little bit too big in the waistband. My In the Soup jogger pants are in a medium, and they are so big in the waist that they like wanna sag, and I don't love that feeling or that look. But these fit and feel fabulous. Honestly, when I bought these, I thought I was only gonna wear them in the house, but I definitely think I'm gonna wear them out now for sure. Here is the tiny pink logo. You can barely see it. It's very, very light and faint, very low key, which is what he wanted, he said. And obviously not bright pink, but baby pink, because that is apparently the only kind of pink Namjoon thinks exists, or should exist maybe. I do like that the pockets are this slit style here, so they don't jut out from the hip and cause extra like bulkiness at the hip. It's just a very smooth pocket style, and this is the kind of pocket style I typically like. So here are Namjoon's joggers. And that is it for this unboxing of Namjoon's joggers. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Let me know what you guys think about these joggers. Let me know down below if you were able to pick up any pieces from the Artist Made collection by BTS. I have a few more coming. Some are from the second pre-order, and some are still from the first pre-order. Everything is just kind of arriving in small bits. I'm excited to do some more videos about some of the products that I'm going to be getting because I'm really excited about some of these things. I think this whole idea and this whole collection is just really amazing. So I'm really happy that I was able to pick up a few pieces from the collection. I hope everyone is doing well, staying safe, staying happy out there. Till next time with another unboxing of one of these Artist Made collections, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye!